In this video, I'm going to show you a platform that you can get access to a lot of products that you can promote either as a blogger, as a YouTuber, or as a content creator. So I have a particular platform that I'm going to show you that you're going to get access to a lot of products that you can promote all for free, as you are seeing on the screen. So this is the platform that I'm talking about. You can see it on the screen. You can see a lot of products, a lot. You can see this is just a little. There are still many that you can currently promote on this platform. And the amazing thing is that there is no particular there's no restriction that you are in this country, you cannot promote the product, you are in this country, you cannot promote the product. So in this particular platform, I'll be showing you how you can choose a product that you can promote, how you can sign up, and how you can get started. And the cool thing is that you don't even need to make sales before you can earn from this platform, because when you drive a lead and they click and sign up, you made a sales. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do all of that in this particular video. So if this is what you want, make sure you stay to the end of this video. Watch it to the end, as I'll be showing you how you can choose a product. So whatever niche you are into affiliate marketing, you're into blogging, you are into pet niche, you are into fashion design niche, you are into real estate, you are into product review, you are into information marketing, whatever niche you are into, there is a product for you to promote right on this platform, completely free. So make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'll be walking with you all of these step by step. You can see, let me still show you more. You can see a lot of products, and there are some of the products that you can even earn around 94.60 USD that you can earn as affiliate commission from this particular platform. I'm going to show you in this video. So you can even earn $90 to $100 from this particular platform. Some of them that can even pay you just to send them a lead, just to send them a someone that will sign up. They get the information of the person name, the person contact, and the person phone number, and that is how you earn your money. So I'll be showing you how you can do all of that in this video, and it's very simple. Look at all you just need to do is click to apply to program. Just apply to program, and you get approved, and you begin to promote product. And if you have a blog or you have a YouTube channel, this stands a great advantage for you, because you can just pick a product. Once you get approved, you pick a product, you write a review of the product, and you paste, you publish it on your blog, and you add the affiliate link, and boom, you are good to go. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do all of that and all of that more and more, just like so in this video. So you can see a lot of products that you can promote. You can see this one, you are going to earn 9.65 USD, and you can see a lot. This one 64.71 USD. Look at this one, 28. So there is a lot of money for you to make from this platform. You can even make $1,000 in a month, $2,000 in a month, $5,000 in a month. Depends on how active you are. You can see this one is paying around 2.69.90 USD. That is what they're paying as an affiliate commission from this particular platform. Now this is amazing. You can see that this one is a travel niche. Look at this one, hotel. You can see this one, and all of that, and just like so. So there is a lot of product for you to promote in this platform, and basically it's completely free. See, this is a lot, and I'm going to show you how you can get access to all of these products that you can promote completely free. You are not paying. Just look at it. If I click and apply, I'll just go ahead and apply, and I get approved, and I begin to promote them. And the cool thing is that you can do all of these things with your smartphone. With your smartphone, you can get all of these things done. So let me still walk you through a lot of products that they have on this platform that you can basically promote. You can see a lot of product for you to promote, and you can see my little search. I've been able to get around 571 searches. You see, I'm telling you that there are a lot of product, and the cool thing is that you can choose how conversion you want. You can choose it right here. You can choose last 7 days. You can choose last 3 months. You can see sort out by conversion, low or high. You can see sort out by conversion high to low. So depending on what you want, and you can promote product on any country. You can see the one I choose is Canada, Nigeria, United Kingdom, United States, and all of that. So depending on the kind of product you want to promote, the country that you want to promote, and the many of them. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can do all of this. So the platform I'm talking about is called CJ. Many of us don't know about CJ. CJ is Commission Junction, just an abbreviation of it. You can see it on the address here. You can see it's cj.com. CJ is called Commission Junction. Commission Junction is what we call CJ, and this platform it has been for so many years and is trusted by so many people. And this platform, what they do is that they have so many vendors that come to this platform to have partnership with them. And what these vendors does is that they come to CJ platform, that's Commission Junction, to list their digital product, either physical courses and so many other things. So they come to Commission Junction to list those products. When they list those products, it is now left for you as an affiliate to come in, to sign up an account and begin to promote these courses. And all of these things is completely free. So the account you are seeing right here is my account. And that is what you are seeing. This is my account. That I have an account on this platform which I'm planning to exploit very soon. And I'm showing you this secret so that you too can get advantage of it and begin to exploit it too. It's what all of us can do together right here in our country. So what I'm talking about, that CJ is a platform that is trusted by so many people, where vendor, course creators come in to list product or to launch product, where you can come in as an affiliate to promote this product. And the cool thing is that there is no restriction whether can you receive your payment as a Nigerian. Now you are in Nigeria, how will you be able to receive your payment? Since PayPal is not working and we're having issue with PayPal and the rest of order, you don't have any issue with that. With CJ, you can receive your commission directly to your Nigeria bank account. And the amazing thing is that the minimum payout is $50. Once you've been able to earn around $50, you can withdraw your money, or you can decide that you want to leave your money for some time to accumulate more, but the minimum payout is $50. So this platform is an amazing platform that you can take advantage in, sign up an account and begin to choose a lot of products that you can promote. And one thing I like about this particular platform is that you don't need to make sales before you can earn money from this particular platform, because all you need to do, sending a lead to a particular company can earn you $10 to $20. Are you getting me? Just sending a lead, you direct them, you give them the link, they go to the platform, they submit their name, their email address and their phone number, you earn your $50, you earn your $20. So it's not necessarily like, or it's like an affiliate marketing, or you make a sale before you earn from this platform. No. So CJ platform is just like CPN. CPN is when you send lead, you earn commission. When you send lead, you make money. That is how this platform, there are so many products in this particular platform that you can promote them without making any sales, and you are going to make money from it, because your lead that you are selling to those companies are money that is going to convert to you, that you're going to earn. And once you make sales from this company, the commission is going to be collected by CJ, where the CJ will pay you this money directly to your Nigeria bank account. So this amazing platform where you can pick a lot of product for yourself and begin to promote and make a lot of money for yourself. So let me quickly walk you through the platform. You can see that they have 1 billion plus monthly reach globally, meaning that they have a lot of, this platform has been for long, it has been for long. So you can just go to Google it and know what this platform is all about. They have been for long. So it's an amazing platform which you can take opportunity of and utilize it and use it to make a lot of money for yourself. If you're a blogger, if you're a content writer, so you can just quickly take advantage of this blog and this particular platform CJ and use it to earn a lot of money for yourself. So you can see that this platform is an amazing platform. They have physical products. If you want to sell physical products, like those of them who are into fashion needs, they have a lot of bags, clothes, so many things that you can sell from this platform. So many that you can actually sell from this platform. You can see they have so many stuff that you can take opportunity of and use it to make a lot of money for yourself using this platform. Picking any product that you want and you are good to go, and you begin to promote a lot of product. And the cool thing is that you can promote the product as an affiliate. You can promote as an affiliate. You see, you can promote as a lead. Find and reach your missing market. All you just need to do, send a lead to those companies, and they're going to pay you. They're going to pay you. You can sign up as a CJ influencer. You can sign up as a CJ marketplace. But basically, what I want you to do is to sign up as an affiliate. Grow one connection at a time. So sign up as an affiliate, where you are going to get access to this particular marketplace, where you can pick a lot of products to promote for yourself. And more so, you can also come in as a partner. Where you can, as a publisher, you list your product, you make sales, look at it, achieve sustainable growth and reach your target audience. You can sign up as a publisher, connect with the brand, you know. Basically, I created an account as a publisher. So you can create an account as a publisher. Why I created an account as a publisher is because I'm a blogger and I create content. That is why I've been able to create, to sign up an account as a publisher. So if you have a blog or you have a YouTube channel, you can also follow suit, and also the rest of them. So to get started, all you just need to do, click on get started. The sign up is completely free. It doesn't take a lot of time for you to sign up. So you can just quickly come down here click on sign up an account, then you are good to go. Then look at it. Are you going to sign up as an advertiser or as an agency and all of that? If you're an advertiser, you want to advertise your product, you want to list your product on CJ, you can just go ahead and do the sign up here and you sign up as an advertiser. But if you want to sign up as a publisher or an influencer, you can use this. So if you're a blogger or content creator, I will advise you to sign up as a publisher because you'll be creating content for them. So you can just go ahead, click on sign up, and you go ahead to sign up an account. Just click on sign up, then you go ahead to sign up an account. The sign up is very free. It's not difficult, though it's an international platform, but there's no any complication on how to create an account. So you can just follow simple steps and sign up an account, and you see that your account will be created in no time. So let's just wait a bit as it's open so that you can take a look at it. So if you are getting value from this video, please, if you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel where I share a lot of content on making money online, affiliate marketing, and the rest of others. And don't forget to like this video so far if you are getting value from this video. So like the video so that YouTube will get to recommend this video to other people, so that other people can get access to watch this video and learn all that you are learning from this channel. And don't forget to share the video too if you are getting value from what you are learning so far. So you can see basically that it has opened. Start your free account now. So you can see your language, country, choose your country, irrespective of your country, choose your country, your password. You can see that the sign up is very, very simple. Very, very simple. Your name, country, email address, password, and confirm password. I'm not a robot, and you are good to go. Boom, your account will be created. So I'm not creating an account. You can just go ahead, click on need, go to the website, open an account, and you are good to go. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to show you how you can pick a lot of products to promote. So you can see right here that this is my account, this is my dashboard. So all you need to do to promote an account is come down here to select. You don't need to search for any product. So all you just need to do is come down here. Let me go back, let me go home, so that I can quickly show you how you can pick a lot of products that you can promote for yourself on this platform. How you can pick a lot of products that you can promote on this platform. So you can see that this is my account that I just signed up an account newly, so I've not actually done any single thing on this platform. So you could just come to partner, click on find advertisers, then it will open. So once it's open, then you are going to come to this place. Where it says all. So we are going to choose what we are going to do. So you're going to come down here, choose category. You can choose any category, any kind of product. This category means the kind of product that you can promote, your niche. You see beauty, accessory, photos and music, automotive, beauty, books and media, business, buying and selling, any kind of product. You can see they have so many products that you can promote here: computer, accessory, and educational, entertainment, any kind of niche, food and drink. If you're into food niche, you can come down here to pick a product for yourself. You can see marketing and the rest of all that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down. I'm through with that. I'm going to pick serviceable. I'm going to choose Canada, United Kingdom, and USA. Then I'm going to also come down to this place where it says language. You choose your language. I'm choosing English. Then you see also come down here where it says country. I'm also going to choose Canada and United Kingdom and United States. So I'm going to come down here, also choose United Kingdom and United States. Then also I will come down here to where it says geographic this place. I will choose Canada, and I'm good with that. Then also currency. I'm going to also choose a currency. I'm going to choose USD. That is USD, US dollars. So I'm going to choose that. Then you come down here, you click on search. Then let's watch the magic. What is going to happen? You can see what the image I tick that I want to pick a product. You can see we have 238. You can see a lot of products right here. You can see this is the simple way on how you can find a product that you can promote. You can see this one is giving you access to earn 23.49 USD. This one is giving you 21.77 USD, 71.23 USD. You can see a lot of product right here that you can promote completely free. You are not paying anything for all of this. You are not paying anything for all of this. So all you just need to do, come down here, click on apply. You can see you can go ahead and apply. But if you want to know more about this particular product, you can just come down here, click here. It's going to display a lot of information about this particular program for you. You can see a lot of information that it has displayed already, the social media platform and all of that, when it was listed, the country that is allowed to promote, and the rest of that. So all you just need to do, come down and sign up an account, click on apply to program, and you are good to go. So guys, if this is what you want and you get value from this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with other people. And if you are getting value from my channel, don't forget to always come back. So guys, I will see you in our next video.